Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making those tough purchasing decisions a whole lot easier. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On my left, we have the Tikom L9000, the budget-friendly bot that promises to clean like a pro. And on my right, we have the eufy X10 Pro Omni, the Rolls-Royce of robot vacuums. Let's find out if the extra cash is worth it, or if you can save some bucks and still get a spotless home. Ready? Let's roll! First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room, price. The Tikom L9000 is a steal at just $249. It's like finding a unicorn in the clearance aisle. Meanwhile, the eufy X10 Pro Omni is priced at a jaw-dropping $799. That's right, folks, $800. For that price, it better clean my house, make me breakfast, and walk my dog. Now, let's move on to navigation and mapping. The Tikom L9000 boasts 360 degrees LiDAR navigation, creating accurate maps and saving up to 5 of them. Perfect if you've got a mansion or just a house with multiple floors. On the other hand, the eufy X10 Pro Omni. It's like having a robot with a PhD in cleaning. Reviewers have noted that, while both vacuums navigate well, the eufy X10 Pro's object identification is particularly impressive. Next, let's talk suction power. The Tikom L9000 comes in hot with 4,000 pascals of suction. It's like a mini tornado that vacuums up crumbs, dust, and maybe even your will to clean manually. But wait, the eufy X10 Pro Omni doubles down with a monstrous 8,000 pascals suction. It could probably suck up your soul if you're not careful. Reviewers praise the Tikom L9000 for its powerful suction, but the eufy X10 Pro takes it to another level entirely. Both of these bad boys can mop, but let's see how they stack up. The Tikom L9000 has a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping feature with an electronically controlled water pump and 3 levels of water output. Not bad for a budget bot, but the eufy X10 Pro Omni takes it to another level with its Mop Master 2.0. It's got dual mop pads that rotate 180 times per minute and apply 1 kilogram of downward pressure. Plus, it lifts the mops when it detects carpet. Reviewers have pointed out that the Tikom's mopping is basic but effective, while the eufy's mopping capabilities are top-notch. When it comes to runtime, the Tikom L9000 gives you a solid 150 minutes on quiet mode and automatically returns to its charging station when it's low on juice. The eufy X10 Pro Omni, however, doesn't just return to its station, it empties its dustbin, washes its mop pads, and dries them with heated. Reviewers love the Tikom L9000 for its long battery life, but the eufy X10 Pro's self-maintenance features give it a clear edge. Both vacuums come with Smart App and voice control. The Tikom L9000 uses the Tuya Smart App and can connect to Alexa or Google Home. It even lets you set virtual walls and no-go zones. The eufy X10 Pro Omni, however, offers customizable AI Map 3.0, allowing you to create no-go zones, virtual boundaries, and more. It's like playing The Sims but in real life. Reviewers have praised both apps for their user-friendliness, but the eufy's app offers more advanced customization. In summary, the Tikom L9000 is praised by reviewers for its impressive suction power, efficient cleaning patterns, and great value for the price. It's particularly noted for being user-friendly and efficient, especially for pet owners. On the other hand, the eufy X10 Pro Omni is lauded for its exceptional cleaning performance, advanced navigation, and self-maintenance features. Reviewers appreciate its powerful suction, excellent obstacle detection, and the convenience it offers, making it a top choice for those willing to invest in a premium robot vacuum. So there you have it, folks. The Tikom L9000 is your go-to budget-friendly option that delivers solid performance without breaking the bank. But if you're ready to splurge and want a vacuum that practically does everything but tuck you into bed, the eufy X10 Pro Omni is your guy. Which one will you be bringing home? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart shopping tips. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep buying smart.